Let's get out of here. Drag race, ready? Drag race. 1, 2, 3. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back with another night ride. My buddy just picked up a Talaria right here, so shout out to the homies Talaria. We got a Talaria in the crew right now, and you're probably gonna see a lot more of this Talaria on my channel, which will be amazing. So yeah, my buddy picked it up used. It wasn't brand new, but we're taking it on its maiden ride off-road. He never rode the thing, and he actually just brought it over to my house. He had a problem with the brake disc and the front axle and all that, so we got all that sorted out for him, and the bike is smooth and rolling. So we're about to take him off-roading right now, and I'll catch you guys on the trail. All right, guys, so we're over here at our favorite trail. Let's see how our buddy likes the Talaria on this little trail. Right now he's still running his stock tire setup, which is already kind of beat. So the next move is to get some tires for sure. So yeah, I tried out that Talaria for a little bit, and man, it's a cool bike. How often you have to change the oil on those? What is it, 800 miles or so that you got to change it? I mean, I'm sure it has to do a lot on how you ride, but I think 800 miles, right? Okay, y'all ready? Let's go! Can he do it? There it is. Nice, like a champ. All right, let this night adventure begin. Yeah, I've never been here at night. This should be super fun. You really this light is actually pretty good. This will actually be a great test of this grid shift light versus the light that I'm about to kind of review on my channel. Yeah, now this thing spins tire left and right. Like it's crazy. Woo. What's up?
Where's the tree?
More over there. If it's still there, unless they cut it down already. So yeah, there's a tree that fell down over here. Last time I was here, this tree just fell down across the whole path. You could not make it across. There's no way you can. Is it still there?
It's gone.
It's gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you they work here. All right, let's go.
Yeah, it's gone.
Go. Hell yeah. Amazing. So the tree's cleared. Yeah, you see they chopped it. Amazing. Whoever does this, shout out to the people who do this. Continue straight, 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 straight. Continue straight. And then go over this. Go over it. Go. This spot right here, a little secret spot. All right, let's get out of here. Woo, spinning tire, crazy. I'm loving this, guys. I'm loving this. I just got to learn how to damn, look at this tree. I just got to learn how to kind of wheelie. I can kind of power wheelie a little bit now. I gotta perfect that and work on my jumps, and then we'll really have some fun in this channel. Turn around. My suspension's starting to creak a little bit. Never really heard that before. But I mean, we're at 1,500 miles. I'm at 1,527. So it's kind of maybe a fourth maintenance at 2,000 miles. You have to learn how to do that. We like to do it ourselves over here. Oh, look at that. What a monster this thing is. Absolute monster. This bike has become in sport mode. So much fun at night. I mean, I kind of know this place, so not as much of a problem, but that's so much fun. How do you like it so far? Good?
Yeah.
Amazing, huh? Let's get out of here. Drag race, ready?
Huh?
Drag race. 1, 2, 3. What else? I got some more upgrades coming for my SURRON. Actually, matter of fact, they're already at the house. I just need to install them and make the video about it. But as soon as I do that, we'll have it ready, and the SURRON will be one hell of a SURRON. I should have been taking this line. Also, I'm eyeing that new Shy battery, guys. That new Endurance, that Gen 2 is like calling my name, you know? So, might have to try and make that happen somehow. That would be amazing. I really, I'm loving the way the channel is going, guys. I'm super, super, super thankful for that. I mean, I never expected it. I just started making videos. Kind of just me exploring, you know, and I'm a really do-it-yourself type of guy, so, and I like to teach, so I figured that would be cool, and I'm really, really thankful. You guys are liking it. I have a lot of returning viewers that are coming back. You guys should hit that subscribe button, you know what I mean? If you enjoy this type of content, for sure subscribe. Don't get me wrong, I was just like you. I would watch plenty of channels and never subscribe, so I know how it is, but I appreciate you guys watching. For real, that means a lot. Your subscriptions, your likes, your comments, that is awesome. Appreciate you guys. So, same thing. You guys enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe. Let me know I'm doing a good job. Hit that like. Whoa, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe, like I said, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.